Good morning, everybody. It's Elaine from the Sewing Basket in Plymouth, Wisconsin. We are here and open bright and early this morning on this cool day. Thought we'd give you a quick tour if you haven't been in since the end of the year. We've made a lot of changes and rearranged some things in the shop. Moved Patriotic up here to the front. Lots of new Patriotic coming in for the 250th anniversary of our country. Here in the modern room, we painted our ceilings white and some of our trim so everything is light and bright. And we've also rearranged the walls into a color wall of modern fabrics. I'm moving fast today because I don't want this video to get really long. Over to the other side. Lots of fun fabrics. I'm going to turn back this way, hopefully not making you motion sick, but this will give you a feel for the size of the shop and the way we're laid out. Moving up into the middle room, we picked up a lot of new vintage and reproduction style fabrics, a number of lines that we hadn't carried before. And we also have a nice selection of outdoor prints and camping, things like that. Lots of rulers and notions. And then into our back area where Danny built us a beautiful new set of racks for our wide backs and kids prints. The back wall here is all flannels. And then a nice selection of clothing fabrics and patterns from independent designers as well. And as we head through to the back of the store, we've also reworked this a little bit. Notions on this wall are isocord threads, batiks, wool and wool felt, Floriani threads, and then also our sale area that is always restocked. Moved our blacks and whites, rearranged our machine area. We are a full service Brother dealer selling and repairing Brother brand machines. And then come around to whites, tans, color walls. We have a nice set of kit options. They are 6 half-yard cuts, and each of those packs includes a free pattern. We have about 20 different pattern choices and lots of kit choices. It's an easy way to get a grab-and-go, throw-sized project for your next gift-giving need. Color walls, and the teal and white quilt is one of the 6 half-yard packages. Next to that is a new Frank Lloyd Wright set of fabrics, fat quarters, and then some coordinating bolts as well. And then we're back to the front where we started. We hope you come visit us soon. Thanks for watching.